owning an Apple Watch just got better now that the Diskus is here. With its compact design, the Diskus is the smallest portable MFI charger for the Apple Watch. When you first open the box, you'll find an instruction card, the Diskus, and the charging cable. The Diskus has 4 charging indicator lights, a micro USB port, a power button, and the Apple-approved MFI magnetic inductive charger. When you first open it, the Diskus will have around 75% of its battery charged. To begin charging your Apple Watch, first remove the clear plastic cover from the top of the Diskus. Next, turn the Diskus on by holding down the power button for 2 to 3 seconds. The indicator lights will glow, letting you know it's ready to charge your watch. Next, simply connect the base of your watch with the top of the Diskus. The Diskus also works in nightstand mode. The indicator lights let you know how much of a charge the Diskus currently has. If all 4 lights are lit up, it's fully charged. 3 lights, it's 75% charged. 2 lights, it's 50% charged. 1, it's 25%, and if it's blinking, it has less than 15% of its battery. To charge your Diskus, plug the USB cable into a power supply and then connect it to the micro USB port on the Diskus. If the battery is completely dead, it should take between 2 to 4 hours to fully charge. But don't worry, with the pass-through charging, you can always charge your watch at the same time as the Diskus. The Diskus works with all available Apple Watches and comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty. Learn more about the Diskus and our other product lineup at ThanoTech.com.